What makes you happy? For me, basketball. When I play basketball, everything just goes away. Pain, stress, anxiety, and problems. Maybe that's why I love the game, because it's my therapy. Basketball teaches me to be confident of what I do. Every shot I make and every step I take, I learn to trust on myself and became disciplined.